What's up guys, this is iLearn Academy back with a brand new video, and as you can see from the title, Geography Bee, Lesson 1, Top 10 Tips to Prepare. This is going to be just a lesson on the top 10 tips to prepare for this competition. Now if you have no idea what this Geography Bee is, and you just came here thinking that I was just going to teach you guys about Geography, and no. But I'll be making a video on what the competition is, how to participate, register, and more information. Now, I'm not saying these top 10 tips will give you a guaranteed first place, but they'll definitely help you. I hope these top 10 tips will help you just as much as they helped me. Now, this video is for students 4th to 8th grade who are willing to participate in this competition. Hope you guys enjoy. Geography Bee, tip number 1. Start with the world map, globe, and atlas and become very familiar with the continents, countries, states, and provinces, islands, and major physical features of our planet. Now, as well as this being step number 1, to tip number 1, to me this is also step number 1 to prepare for this competition. Because instead of going in depth, it's good to just start from the basics first and just get familiar with our planet, and then after that you can go in depth. Tip number 2. Use outline maps of the world and continent to test yourself on this information. Now let's suppose that you're struggling on not knowing where countries in Africa are located. If you use an outline map, however, it'll just help you, test yourself on how many countries in Africa you can identify and how many you don't. You can also learn from that. Tip number 3. Prepare flashcards or use some other technique to memorize the capitals. Now, in most competitions, memorizing isn't the best solution, but in the Geography Bee, memorizing is very helpful because it'll help you answer some of the questions. Now, to me, preparing flashcards is the most efficient way to memorize capitals because 1, you don't need anyone to quiz you, and 2, flashcards are really easy to make. Of course, you can use other techniques that help you the best. Tip number 4. Memorize these basic Earth facts around the world. Highest, lowest, deepest, and I forgot to add these, but longest and shortest. In the Geography Bee, they use these terms in questions, so if you learn these terms, they'll help you answer some of the questions. Tip number 5. Read geography of current events and the events that occur in the later portion of the year before. Now, reading current events helps you answer some of the questions in the competition, because in Geography Bee, they ask you questions about current events, but if you're prepared and read the geography, it'll help you answer the questions. Tip number 6. Take as many geography practice quizzes online as possible. Now, I'll be putting a link in the description below on all the practice quizzes. And practice quizzes are really helpful because they ask similar questions. And if you take as many practice quizzes as possible, it'll give you a head start for the competition. Tip number 7. Study bodies of water, rivers, oceans, lakes. Now, it's not just bodies of water, you also need to study physical features. Tip number 8. Know principal languages, currencies, religions, and former country names. Tip number 9. Make a mental map of a country or any place on Earth. This, to me, is the most helpful tip ever because making a mental map is just basically mapping out the entire geography of our planet just in your mind. Now that helps you answer some of the questions. So let's suppose on the Geography we ask you this question. Which state in the United States is closer to Canada? Montana or Texas? Now, when you're preparing for this competition, if you take a mental map of where all the states in the United States are located, you know that Montana is closer to Canada than Texas is. Tip 10. So these are just some important websites. As I said earlier, I'll put all of these in the description below. nationalgeographic.com, geography.com, theodora.com. And also, if you have an iOS or Android device, please download the app Geo Bee. That provides many geography games and it'll help you prepare. It's by the National Geographic Society. And also, if you're at your local library, please check out the book How to Ace the National Geographic Bee. It's by the National Geographic Society, and that book was really helpful because it gave many practice questions and it gave more tips. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please share this video to your friends who are also participating. It's bad to keep this good information to yourself. It's good to share it with your friends so they can learn as well. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and also follow my channel, iLearn Academy. I'll be making more lessons with this topic, Geography Bee, about how to easily memorize places on Earth, and just more geography lessons. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned to more videos on my channel. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Before I sign off, I just want to let you know that iLearn Academy, learning is an endless journey. So, hope you guys enjoy.